Hey guys, we're back with another video. And today I'm doing slime pet peeves. So let's get started. So first one is when they poke a finger, which is weird. I'm not trying to act if you actually do this, but so here it comes. It's not that pokey, because when I said the poking. Oh wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just weird for me. It's really not weird for you, but I'm gonna use 2 fingers. I'll use 2 fingers and 3. And I have white here in case I use this white one, which is very sticky. You don't need to see my face. And sorry if my mom says get dressed because I'm actually wearing a skirt right now because it's really, really, really hot. But my mom says I'm not allowed to wear it, so I don't get her. But anyway, I love this one. The next one with this slime, I'm gonna do when the slime doesn't click. I think that is one. I don't watch pet peeves that much, so sorry if it's not that one. Yeah, this one's the only one that doesn't poke. Okay, let's go. Okay, so next one, we're having a different song. We're having my worst one. This one's my second worst, but I only brought in 4 songs for holiday because this one does poke, so I'm surprised. But this is, I don't know if this is one when they don't take the slime out the pot and they play with it. I don't know. So what I was doing right now. Let's see. Okay, I'll show you right now, and I don't have any glasses, so it's really bright. So here it comes. Oh yeah. And I'm also going to use 1 finger. It's just unsatisfying. That's what it looks like. It's really hard to stretch. My bird will come up. He'll be the parts of my. He is called Weetabix. We give him Weetabix a lot. So that's what we put in. Okay, so this one doesn't really pop or anything like that. So but it does click, so. But it's kind of hard, so. This is my bubble gum slime. Yeah? Okay, guys, just wait. Mom, I'm doing a video.
Yeah, but you're not wearing that, Isla.
Why? Remember?
So we are waiting to go out. Why have you now got another massive eczema patch?
Where?
There.
It was already here before. My neckline. Just wait until the video's done. I know. Okay, guys, I'm back. That's kind of weird. Anyway, this time is when the slime is too sticky and watery, and this is my worst one. So let me just move these two, and then move these two. There we go. So this is why I have my wipes. So this is the one. It's my biggest one, but it's really watery. And I put too much borax in it, so that's why it's really. I don't want to touch it. But it's really good at clicking, and it's really stretchy. So, stop. Oh, because you went on your phone, I guess. Internet. Don't know. Okay. I'm doing it slow for you guys. If you want me to do ASMR with this slime, comment down below and say #slime tutorials if you want me to do it. It does make bubbles though. Should I make a slime swirl? Oh, it's all over the table and not all over. So, I'm going to do this. Oh, I hate this. Okay. Second, go down. Come on, go down. Come on. Oh, there's a bubble now. Oh, I know the next one to do. I'm just gonna stretch it. It's taking ages. Oh god. Don't move. Worst slime swirl ever. That was so bad. Oh. Hello. Okay, the next one is when they pop the bubble. I hate this one because I love bubbles, and I'm like, why do you just pop the bubble? All I do is leave them and then I pop them. Do people do that? I don't know. So I'm gonna only do 2 more. So let's get started. Oh, bubble, bubble. Sheeps. sheep's over there ruining my video. Shut up. Oh my god. Oh, the sheep's not near me. I don't know what the word is called. But let's keep going. So when satisfying, I would not do this. And my hands are so gross. Pop in the bubbles. Ooh. Oh, I see a bubble there. Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh! Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh my god, I hate this. Now I'm gonna actually wash my hands with wipes. It's gross. Okay, I'm putting that slime away.
Hiya, I've got hot ironing boards here. Hiya,
Yeah?
I want you to get
Just in a minute! Okay, next one is when they poke with their thumb. Oh, I only got 2 more left. So this is the first one. Ah, oh my god. Okay, ready, say, go. So next one is when there's loads of noise in the background. Ready? Ow. Oh, I just hit my butt. I hate my camera. Oh, there. So that was all for you guys. We're boring. If I can put this back in, that would be great.